Model, 2021 Vauxhall Combo 2000 Sportive 1.5 Cdti non-runner needs repair no VAT. Body, grey, panel van. Mileage, 122793. MOT, the 29th of March 2026. Engine, 1499 cc 1.5 turbo 100 PS. Transmission, 5-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, non-runner, engine needs repairing or replacing. The engine has been taken out and in the back of the van all of the parts are there, nothing is missing. Grin. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean and presentable. Interior is very clean and has plenty life left in it. Rear load area is very clean and tidy with loads of life left in it. Genuine honest work van.